And tip number two is very best. I love it personally. I love it. Tip number two, let me tell you. Tip number two is if I want to give somebody, he want to check my setting, okay, and I don't want to give him, just I want he just check my setting, he don't go at something else. So press on there and pin this app, so press on ok. So he can use only setting, he can't go up any phone, he can't, you see, he can't go anywhere, he can just only check my setting. Like sometimes people say give me, I want to check my your setting, so you can give him setting, you press here, hold it, and phone is come on lock screen. Hello everyone, today I will tell you for Samsung series best tips. If you have a Samsung S7, S8, S9, S10, Note 8, Note 9, Note 10, Note 20, S20, S21, Note 21, whatever you have a Samsung, is these tips on work on Samsung S7 to S Note 20, Note S20, S21. So let's start. First tip is very best tips. If you, first of all I tell you, if you like my home screen, decent home screen, I don't know, is a camera on camera is not nice, I think on real life I love it. If you like it, so link is description, check it there and make your home screen like this. So let's start. Tip number one is a edge panel. Everybody knows Samsung S7, S8 have a edge panel, so we have to click on there, Samsung edge panel. So you can see here is pin screen. If you don't know how we can go there, so you can click on the okay, go back. So now here we have a pin screen. You can see here, if you want to pin screen, how we use it, let me tell you. We go back, okay, how we can use pin screen, let me go on my okay. You can see here is a phone number. For example, it's have a big phone number, like I don't remember, if I want to send someone and sometimes we can't copy, okay. So how we can use pin screen, we go here, we go here and tap to pin, and you can see here is cam here, okay. Now we can go back. If I want to write 4477, so you can see there is 44 and 47. This one is used for everywhere, you can use anywhere on the phone. Like let me go back and I want to cancel it, okay. Let me go on my setting and I want to pin my, like something, you want to pin my this, so click on there. So you can, it's up to you how much you want to pin this screen. So you can there, so you can go anywhere, so you can put, so you can go back on top. So it's best, this one is the best use of pin screen. This one is used for a best number, like on if I want to send this number on WhatsApp and I don't know, so we can take it pin, we use a pin screen and we can send to somebody else, anyone you can use it. So that one is use of pin. And edge panels, you can make your animation oval, if like you want to take it circle type picture, whatever, like this. So it's really like that. And tip number two is very best. I love it personally, I love it. Tip number two, let me tell you. Tip number two is if I want to give somebody, he want to check my setting, okay, and I don't want to give him, just I want he just check my setting, he don't go at something else. So press on there and pin this app, so press on ok. So he can use only setting, he can't go up any phone, he can't, you see, he can't go anywhere, he can just only check my setting. Like sometimes people say give me, I want to check my your setting, so you can give him setting, you press here, hold it, and phone is come on lock screen. How we can use it, I think if you don't understand, let me tell you again. Like someone is saying, like if you want to give your phone to kids, he want to use his YouTube watching, so you saying he not need to check my other things, so he only watch YouTube. So let me go on YouTube. So let's go on YouTube. Okay, now right now is offline because I'm not using internet. So we can make a pin this app. Okay, so how we can turn on this pin, I will tell you later. So you can see here is a go anything, he can use it, but he can't go back, he can't do anything. So until we press here, so phone is going lock. So phone is locked, then we have to go on unlock it. Okay, so how we can open this pin? So go on setting, then biometric and security, then you go down, scroll, and other security. So go down, pin windows, you have to turn on pin windows, so it's going to on your lock pin windows. Okay, so when we like, if I want to give him as a we can use, someone is want to use my internet on Google Chrome, so you will say is don't use my anything else, so you gave him like this in this app. Okay, he can't go back, he can't do anything, he just finish on his browsing, what he want to search anything, he can use it on the internet, he can't go on your gallery, he can't go anywhere. So it was very best tip for Samsung S9, S8, whatever you have a pin. So number 3 is a one-handed like this. Let me tell you how you can use it. One hand, like if you want to use one hand, so you can check one hand, if you want to up. So this one is used for one hand, like we can't reach our hand on there, so it's fully phone is here, so you can check your notification one hand. If you want to make up, so normal screen, so you can go there. How we can open our one hand screen? Go on setting, simply search here one-handed mode. So go on one-handed mode, so turn on your hand, touch on there, so click on bottom tap, so click on there, turn on, and simply this one is do like that, so it's best. So number 4 is also for accessibility advanced, like volume up, you see is coming on access, like normally we take screenshot volume down and power button, so it's took a screenshot. So volume up also is going to use for accessibilities. If you want to change, you can change it. Let me tell you how can you go on setting, then you go on down accessibility, then you go on advanced setting, then you go on power and volume up. So you can see here is like if you want to use a color, so you can change. If you want to turn on all, is up to you. So let me show you. You can see here down is take screenshot, up is so is manufacture color, or you can see here is the best tips for volume up. So it's up to you which one you want to use it. Magnifier, if you want to use it for a magnifier, color adjustment, color lens, high contrast fonts, so whatever you want to use is up to you. So even if you want to turn on all, so you can use it, so it's up to you. So number 5 is tips for fingerprint. Sometime if you press if you unlock your phone is not working, is if you press 3 times, then it's unlocked. So let me give you tips for lock screen. Let's go on pin number. So how we can add, so we can go on fingerprint. So fingerprint, okay, how we can add fingerprint, let me tell you how we can add and use it. You can see, okay, Now is 67%. Okay, we can use add finger my. Okay, now is add, click on add. Then you have to again put for a fast finger 68 again is added. Then we can add this, 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 you can see. So then we can use our finger, that one is added. Okay, now add again this one, this one, this one, this. So finger is added, done. So now we can try out. Okay, now let me check. It's very fast, can you see? Let me check. It's very fast. Let's try this one. It's fast. Normally Samsung is take time sometime, so it's very fast now. This one is tip number 5 is fast. Make your fingerprint faster, fast like this. Very fast, like normally is have a password. So let's put finger, just touch finger. If 5 these tips will help you, so please like my channel, like this video and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye, take care.